What's going on, guys? I'm back with Kyle. If you haven't seen our first video, we're making him a millionaire in the next 2 years for sure.
Yep.
6 figures
That's
this year.
the plan.
It's the goal. So it's pretty much a series of Kyle starting, well, he's been doing Amazon for a little and he just started his YouTube channel. There will be a link in the description, but we're monitoring that growth, what he's doing to build it, how much money he's making, and this is going to be an update video of where he's at. So on screen you can see he started about a little less than a month ago, right? You had like 2 videos, but you weren't uploading.
Yeah.
And then about 3 weeks ago, you started doing daily uploads, right?
Yeah, 2.5, 3 weeks ago?
Yeah, it's been about 3 weeks. So you got these 2 like a month ago, and then you started here.
So 3 weeks.
So 3 weeks, and you are now at 952 subscribers. Now, a lot of people are going to think it's from videos with me, but surprisingly, I'd say you probably got 100, 200 subscribers just from me.
Yeah.
Because after I upload a video, people think, oh, you're getting shown to my almost 100,000 viewers. Well, the video with you got 3,000 or 4,000 views, and maybe 10% of that max went over to you. Mm-hmm. Most likely 5, so 150 to 300 people, I'd say max, from me.
Yeah.
And you can see a lot of the videos, even when I promote the next day, don't get a ton of views on yours, which they would if they were all from me. Now, some obviously will be. But you've been getting, your videos have been kind of being pushed. And one way to see is on Social Blade. You can do this for any channel if you guys want to see mine. But you can see Kyle's video views. He's getting almost 250 a day on average. And then some days where it jumps up a ton. If he has a good video, he gets a lot more views, a lot more subscribers. And then kind of back to steady 7 to 10 a day, about 200 views. And you can see little jumps where he'll get like 27 in a day. 418, and you can check these days. These aren't days where we did videos together.
Yeah, it's just kind of random.
So it's kind of up and down, and you said you saw one of your videos being pushed a little bit. Which one was that?
One of my older videos.
Your very first one? Or?
It was the 4th video I uploaded, so it was like 3 weeks ago. It was like one of the first one in that like 3 week, or when I started daily uploading, talking about just how I saved my product on Amazon that was doing poorly. And that almost has 1,000 views now, when I think a week ago it was at 500. So
yeah, so that one's getting pushed pretty quick. And let's talk about the monetization with YouTube. So you haven't made any money with YouTube ad revenue yet because they want you to have a certain amount of watch time. I believe, was it 4,000 hours?
4,000 hours and then 1,000 subscribers.
Okay.
Yeah, so the subscriber count I feel like is easier to do, 1,000 subscribers. The watch time can be kind of intimidating because it's like so much, especially for a newer channel. But like one thing that we talked about before is that, you know, it's compounding. So like my old videos are still getting a lot of views for people that are looking up those different topics. And then I'm putting out new videos. So it's just like exponentially going up.
Yeah, let's say you're getting 100 views a day on each video, and then the day you upload, you get 300 or 400. Well, if you have 20 videos, that's what?
Yeah. So the more videos you put out, the faster that goes up.
So you were at, I know you're at 200 hours watch time about a week ago. And then overnight, you're like, I just got, how much time did you get? 1,000 minutes?
Pretty much every night I'm going up like 1,000 to 1,500 minutes.
So what is that? 200 hours?
20 hours.
20 hours. So you're going up 10% a day now or more because you're at 200.
Yeah, pretty significantly.
So it's big jumps. And once you get going, it's just a lot more. Obviously, more videos, more people watching. A great example is I think I have, I don't know the math, divided by 60, but about 4 million minutes in watch time per month.
Which is crazy.
Yeah, so it's not hard to do it, and they just want it in the last 12 months. So soon, in a month, you'll be able to easily do that. So I think he'll start monetizing the start or mid of April, maybe late March with that. Now,
most of the views for you, they're from like older videos as well, right?
Yeah,
so it's not just
about 85-90% of my daily views come from older videos, not my daily upload. So I'll get about 25,000 views per day, usually 5,000 coming from my video I upload that day, the rest from older ones that are getting pushed.
That's huge.
So that's a big example right there. So as far as your strategy, you're just uploading kind of general advertising videos, but now you're going to start to focus more on Amazon and advertising because it seems to have a better response with how ads save my failing FBA product. Ads set up here, you can see the views are higher. And then when you just do general Facebook, it's a little bit lower views. And then Amazon, again, a lot of views. So it's just
Yeah.
analyzing your videos. Is that what you've seen also?
Yeah, and then I think that just those videos in general, there's not a lot of information on that type of stuff. So like there's a lot of value in those type of videos that can help with anyone doing Amazon FBA.
Okay, so been at it about a month now, we'll say. A little bit less than a month. We're at 952 subscribers. And how much money have you made so far? Have you made any? What are your sources right now?
Yeah, so there's no ad revenue from YouTube directly just because I haven't met those requirements yet. I have my own webpage set up where I offer consulting. And so I had one consulting gig earlier this week, and that went well. And so I did that for the like a 30-minute Skype consultation call. And so I was able to help him out with, he had a product that was sitting for 2 months, had absolutely no sales. So I walked him through different ways to like set up his advertising properly to help push his product that was kind of in a competitive space. And he emailed me the other day and said he was getting sales. So
that's cool to see.
That's crazy, especially because it's been there for like 2 months. Like at that point, it's just so demoralizing because you're like, oh my gosh, I spent all this money. My product's just sitting, like doing nothing. And a lot of people just need that like kickstart that ads offer to get the ball rolling and get those like high sales, get on the first page.
Did you help them with Facebook ads or did you help them with PPC?
I set them up with just how to set up PPC overall, and then we talked about Facebook ads. But we basically just started with PPC just because it's so easy to set up. As far as once you know how to optimize it properly, then you can like push it that way. So he's getting a few sales that way. We'll probably talk again this upcoming week to further optimize that, and then if he's not where he wants to be, then Facebook ads is the next step to kind of push forward.
Okay. And how else are you planning to make money? You have affiliate links, right, for some things?
Yeah. So I have like 5 or 6 affiliate links in the description. There's like your courses that I've taken that have helped me with like Amazon FBA, affiliate marketing, and then of course the YouTube branding, personal branding mastery. So I have all of those, like Jungle Scout, like different.
And you're getting a couple clicks, but no sales yet, right? On those?
No sales. There's a good amount of traffic actually through the different affiliate links that I can track with Google, but
not as many as there should be. So he doesn't mention at all in his videos that the links are there in the description most of the time, or to go check them out, click them, which will probably double or triple the traffic if he does that. So he's going to start doing that in his videos too.
Yeah, I haven't mentioned it once actually for in the description.
Yeah,
so definitely that's like kind of
a lot of people don't know.
Yeah, that's a bad move on my part. Definitely like direct people to look there just because people are interested in that stuff. So
yeah, and then anything else strategy wise we're gonna do, or kind of just staying consistent with the uploads, start working on some stuff.
The consistency with the uploads I think is just huge in like helping to just promote the channel in general. I've been working on like gaining a bigger Instagram following, and then through that I've been like messaging a lot of people, and people are excited about the content I'm putting out, and then they're finding out about my channel through Instagram. So I think that's definitely like another, I don't know, it's a huge resource that you can like tap into to drive traffic to your channel.
Yeah, so you've been using Instagram, you've been using Captivate.
Yeah, I think I've been doing that for like
a week, not even
a week now, and I'm pushing 600.
600, yeah. So you get a crazy conversion with that. You're getting like 30% of people you follow to fall back, right?
Yeah. So about 30% of people following me. A lot of them have never heard of me. And so it's a great way to like kind of get new faces into your channel.
Yeah, I think that's the best way if you guys are beginning, is just get people from Instagram. It's easy to get seen there, whereas YouTube, it's a little bit more difficult to start. And then once you gain some momentum from that, it's a lot easier on YouTube, which you're averaging 10, 15 subscribers a day, with some jumps up to 30 to 50 a day. And I mean, 1,000 in less than a month almost. Should hit 1,000 in 2 or 3 days here, since you're averaging 15, 20. So as far as that, I mean, if you can get 1 hour consulting call a day, that's $3,000 a month right there.
Yeah.
So
that's
a lot's possible, and he's just touching the iceberg right now, like just the tip of it, because he's starting, he's building, and it just grows exponentially, especially if you're working on like an information product, like a course, which I know you might be, and just anything like that. And It's the last thing. Oh, capturing emails. Now, are you doing that? And if you are, how?
Yeah, so basically a lot of my videos, I have different like Excel sheets or different, I think they're all Excel sheets right now, but basically anything that offers information in like a document or something like that, I have it on my website, and then people will put in their email and name to download those forms. And those forms range from like, I have a cheat sheet for like shipping terms and stuff like that, how like calculating costs, just random stuff that actually like I spent a good amount of time setting up and have all the equations set up in Excel. So it's really, I think, provides a lot of value for people that are downloading it. And then at the same time, I have those different emails that I have building a list.
And you know they're interested in a certain niche also, so it's easier if you're going to start doing email marketing and whatnot.
Definitely.
So anything else? I think that's kind of everything for right now for this update video.
Yeah, the one thing about the consulting is that I didn't even mention the consulting. I kind of just threw it in my description, like at the bottom of the description, and didn't really think anything would come of it. And then I had like 2 or 3 people email me within the first week. I mean, this was just this past week, without even talking about it in the videos. So I think there's
3 interested already, so it's $300.
I just think, I mean, there's definitely a lot that I could provide a lot of people. So I think it's a good deal.
It's going to be one of the easy ways to make money up front.
Yeah.
So, all right, guys, I think that's going to be all for this update. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Kyle's link will be the first thing in the description. And make sure you subscribe. We got another Shopify video with Dan and I coming tomorrow. So watch out for that, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.